Quantum physics, the branch of physics that explores the behavior of matter and energy at the smallest scales, has revolutionized our understanding of the universe. Although primarily known for its applications in the field of science and technology, quantum physics principles can also provide valuable insights into the world of personal finance and wealth creation. In this video, we will explore how these principles can be applied to boost your income, grow your wealth, and achieve long-term financial success. So if this topic is of interest to you, then drop a like below and let's get started. Principle number 1. Embracing uncertainty by way of the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. The Heisenberg uncertainty principle is a fundamental concept in quantum physics, stating that it is impossible to precisely measure both the position and velocity of a particle simultaneously. In the context of personal finance, this principle highlights the inherent uncertainty of the market and need to embrace it in our financial strategies. To take advantage of the uncertainty in the market, diversification is the key. By creating a diverse investment portfolio that includes stocks, bonds, real estate, and other assets, you can reduce the impact of fluctuations in individual asset classes and minimize overall risk. This approach enables you to capitalize on market opportunities and grow your wealth over time. Principle number 2. Quantum superposition and its application to create multiple streams of income. In quantum physics, the concept of superposition describes a particle's ability to exist in multiple states simultaneously until it is measured or observed. This idea can be applied to personal finance by developing multiple income streams, effectively allowing you to occupy several financial positions all at once. Generating multiple sources of income such as passive income from investments, side businesses, or freelancing can help you achieve financial stability and boost your overall income. This approach not only increases your earning potential but also reduces your dependence on any single income source, making your financial situation more resilient in times of economic uncertainty. The third principle is that of quantum entanglement, and it can be applied to the concept of building a strong financial network. Quantum entanglement occurs when particles become interconnected, such as the state of one particle affects the state of the other, regardless of the distance between them. Similarly, building a strong financial network can help you create an interconnected web of support that can enhance your wealth building efforts. So surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals, mentors, and financial professionals can provide you with valuable advice, resources, and opportunities to grow your wealth. By fostering connections with others who share your financial goals and values, you can access a wealth of knowledge and experience that can help you navigate the complex world of personal finance. Principle number 4 is quantum tunneling, which can be applied to overcome financial barriers. Quantum tunneling is a phenomenon where particles can pass through barriers that should be insurmountable according to classical physics. This concept can serve as a metaphor for overcoming financial barriers and achieving seemingly impossible financial goals. To tunnel through financial barriers, it is crucial to maintain a growth mindset and continuously invest in your financial education. By expanding your knowledge of personal finance, investment strategies, and wealth building techniques, you can identify opportunities and develop creative solutions to overcome obstacles on your path to financial success. Principle number 5 is that of observer effect, and it can be translated into the power of financial awareness. In quantum physics, the observer effect refers to the influence of observation on the behavior of quantum systems. In the realm of personal finance, being a conscious observer of your financial habits and decisions can significantly impact your financial outcomes. Regularly monitoring your income, expenses, investments, and financial goals can help you make informed decisions and identify areas of improvement. By actively engaging with your finances and adjusting your strategies as needed, you can optimize your financial performance and achieve greater wealth over time. To conclude, while quantum physics may seem like a distant and abstract concept, its principles can offer valuable lessons for personal finance and wealth creation. Thus, by embracing uncertainty, generating multiple income streams, building a strong financial network, overcoming financial barriers, and leveraging the power of financial awareness, you will be on your way to growing your income and achieving financial freedom. This brings us to the end of this video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you have learned something valuable, then hit on the like and share this video with your friends. Lastly, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit on the bell icon so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos on financial education and personal growth.